y'all, so this is going to be get ready with me doing my makeup and my hair. I'm not going to go into a lot of detail about my hair because I already have videos on my channel with me explaining in detail about my hair. But if you all are looking forward to seeing how I got this sleek and slay look and how I got this fleeky makeup, then you all stay tuned. Okay, y'all, so the first thing I'm going to take is a flat angled brush, and I'm going to use this eyeliner pencil by LA Colors. And I know you all are probably like, why is she using a pencil and a flat brush at the same time? But y'all, it just works for me. I just rub it on there and then start doing my brows. And now I'm just going to fill in my brows, and that's about it. So due to the fact that I already have an eyebrow tutorial on my channel, I'm just going to jump right into the video. And these are the finished look of my brows, y'all. If you all want to see the finish of how I get my brows like this, then you can go ahead and look at those videos on my channel. Now I'm just going to take some concealer from LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn and pat that on my eyelids. And then I'm going to buff it in with a fluffy brush. So once I'm done with that, I'm going to take some Sacha Buttercup to set that concealer that I just patted in on my brows. And then I'm just going to buff that on top of that concealer. Then I'm going to go in with this Morphe palette, and I'm going to go in with the orange shade. And I'm just going to buff that onto my eyelids and to my crease area. And then I'm just going to use a darker shade of that orange color, and I'm just going to buff that in as well underneath the lighter orange shade. And then I'm going to go in with a dark brown color, and I'm just going to deepen my crease area. So once I'm done with that, I'm going to go in with a darker brown shade. It's almost black looking, and I'm going to use that shade from the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm just going to use that to further deepen the crease area, guys. So now I'm just going to cut my crease with the same concealer that I used to set my eyelids with. So now I'm going to go back in with that 350 palette from Morphe, and I'm just going to take this light orange shimmer shade and place it near the inner tear ducts of my eyelids. And then I'm going to take this burnt orange shade, and I'm going to place it in the center of my eyelids and blend it in with that other shadow. So then I'm going to go in with this dark brown shimmer shade, and I'm just going to place it at the outer corners of my eyelids, and I'm just going to blend it in with that burnt orange shade. So then I'm just going to take some eyeliner to line my eyelids, and this eyeliner is from NYC. So then I'm going to take my foundation from MAC and Maybelline, and I'm just going to mix those foundations and start to place it all over my skin and my neck, and I'm just going to blend it in with my sponge from Real Techniques. So then I'm going to go in with some concealer from Maybelline. I'm going to mix those two shades. It's a lighter shade and a darker shade. I just like to mix those shades together because it works for me. And I'm just going to place it underneath my eyes, down the bridge of my nose, and inner center of my forehead. And then I'm just going to buff it in with the pointy part of my Real Techniques sponge. So now I'm going to set that concealer with Sacha Buttercup powder and Ben Nye powder in the shade Topaz. And I like to just pat my powder in rather than just throwing it on my face. I like to really press it into my skin, and that just gives me a better finish. So guys, I really do not like to contour that much. So what I'm going to do is just put a little bit of that powder on my lower jaw. And I really don't like for the powder to sit on my face that long. So I'm going to go ahead and just blend that powder out. And I'm just going to dust away any excess powder. So once I'm done with that blending, I'm going to take some powder from Maybelline in the shade 40, and I'm just going to set all over my face with that powder. So then I'm going to take this Morphe palette. It's a blush palette in 9B, and I'm just going to place that blush on the apples of my cheeks. Then I'm going to go in with some highlighter from the crayon case in the shade Anglola. And I'm just going to place that on the top where I placed the blush. And I'm just going to blend that in. So then I'm going to take some lashes that I got from Morphe in the style Secretive and some star glue. But first I'm going to take some MAC Fix Plus spray, and I'm just going to spray it all over my face. And then I'm going to line my underneath my eyelids with just some black eyeshadow. So then I'm going to take this dark brown pencil that I got from the beauty supply store to line my lips with. And for my lippy, I'm going to use this NYX matte lipstick in the shade Honeymoon. And so guys, this is the finished look of my makeup and eyeshadow. I hope you all like this look. But y'all, my hair is a mess, so let's get into this hair. I'm going to take some of this dry shampoo from Tresemme, and I'm just going to spray it all over my hair, y'all. And the hair part of this video, I'm just going to pretty much speed through because I have the exact same tutorial on my channel as well. So if you want to see more into detail of how I do my hair like this, guys, then go check out this video or that video. And I love you guys so much. Thank you all for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and continue to watch. So guys, this is the finished look. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Love you guys. Bye.